I'm out at Waterco Limited here in Rydalmere. We just installed a 100 kilowatt solar system. This system is going to produce about 130 megawatt hours of electricity per year, which is about 65% of the plant's consumption. The panels that we've used are REC, Singapore made solar panels. We use them because they have a 25-year product warranty.
Hi, my name is Brian Go. I'm the Marketing Director of Waterco Limited. We've been established since 1981. In fact, this year is our 40th year. Part of the reason of why we wanted to put solar onto the roof and work with Inspire Energy is for two reasons. Not just for financial return, but also corporate sustainability.